Can I come in? Hi. What were you banging against? Uh-oh. Theo. That's why you were banging against the door? Uh-oh. That's supposed to stay in your lamb. Mm-hmm. Do you think I should let you out? Yeah. Boing. Look at all these new things you can reach. Can you turn the light on? Close. You ready to get out?